What is the part of the bridge above the roadbed called? Clear logic. Your choice superstructure is sound and 100% true. Central span of a balanced cantilever bridge can be up to. Valid point. 30 mm is true. Which bridge employs a truss design shaped like an arc? Sharp thinking. Harbour Bridge is the right choice. The output component consists of dash and justification. Smart pick. Description is the correct choice. What is a number of people together in work or activity? Correct. Team is the right answer. Which shape distributes the forces on a bridge the best? Bravo. Triangle is the answer. What is a finding out the quality or value of something? Nice selection. Test is the correct and valid answer. Dash is the bridge floor directly carrying traffic loads. Right again. Deck is a valid answer. Which type of bridge is commonly used in railway tracks? You got it? Your choice truss bridge is right. What type of force tries to stretch a bridge component? Solid response. Tension is a valid choice. The most common type of steel truss used for bridges? Excellent. Warren truss is a brilliant choice. Generally, which bridge type allows the longest span? Nice work. You chose suspension and it is correct. What material is often used for the deck of a bridge? Good thinking. Concrete is the right answer. Which type of bridge is commonly used for long spans? Exactly. Suspension bridge makes sense, and it is right choice. Which type of bridge is most suitable for long spans? Right choice. Suspension bridge is the best answer, which may be the main span length of a major bridge. Nicely done. 90 is a solid answer. Which force tries to stretch the bridge components? You're right. Tension is the correct answer. How do the men act after the scaffolding accident? Good job. Your answer serious works well here. The column of a bridge, usually vertical member. Smart move. Pierre is an accurate answer. What is an important aspect of bridge maintenance? Perfect. Regular inspection is the correct choice. A truss bridge is made up of which type of shape? Excellent choice. Triangles is the right answer. Which type of bridge is known for its arch shape? You chose arch bridge, and it is correct. What should I do first to solve a simple problem? Well reasoned. Define the problem is the correct choice. What is the step 4 in engineering design process? Great thinking. Determination of member size is the right choice. What is a person that plans, builds, or manages? Correct response. Engineer is the most accurate answer. Which force primarily acts downward on a bridge? On track. Gravity is the correct answer. What is a series of actions leading to a result? Well done. Process is the right choice. Gauge length of broad gauge Indian Railway is Strong choice 76 mime is the right answer. What type of force pulls both sides of a beam? Well picked. Tension is the correct answer. What is an effect, consequence, or conclusion? Great job. Results is the accurate answer. What is a key characteristic of arch bridges? Valid point. They primarily resist compression is true. What is something to be worked out or solved? Exactly. Problem makes sense and it is right choice. What is to think up and plan out in the mind? Smart pick. Design is the correct choice. An engineer needs a 4-year bachelor's dash. On track. Degree is the correct answer. Well, foundation may be of the following type. Good thinking. Any of the above is the right answer. Which of the following is a type of bridge? You chose all of the above, and it is correct. What type of force does a strut support? Smart move. Compression is an accurate answer. Stage 3 of the design process of a bridge. Clear logic. Your choice detailed design is sound and 100% true. The distance between bridge supports. Correct response. Span is the most accurate answer. The spot where members are connected. Excellent choice. Joint is the right answer. All of the forces acting on a bridge. Strong choice. Loads is the right answer, which is not a basic form of bridge. Great thinking. Slab bridge is the right choice. What type of truss is pictured here? Nice work. You chose queen post and it is correct. There is a thick mist or low clouds. Perfect. Foggy is the correct choice. Keeping steady without tipping over. Well reasoned. Balancing is the correct choice. Which of the following is correct? You're right. Input process output regulation is the correct answer. To stick to it or hang on tightly. Sharp thinking. Cling is the right choice. What is to set down in writing? Solid response. Record is a valid choice. What type of force acts on a tie? Good job. Your answer tension works well here. What step is load determination? Correct. Step 2 is the right answer. What is the organ of thought? You got it. Your choice brain is right. A feeling of great happiness. Right again. Excitement is a valid answer. A group of people doing work. Right choice. Crew is the best answer. The rise and fall of the sea. Well done. Tide is the right choice. Something passes from sight. Nicely done. Disappears is a solid answer. Weep holes are provided in. Excellent. Abutments is a brilliant choice. What is a plan of action? Bravo. Ideas is the answer. What is a book for notes? Well picked. Notebook is the correct answer. To extend or spread out. Great job. Stretch is the accurate answer. What is torsion? Nice selection. A twisting force is the correct and valid answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. You got it? Your choice contact Narayan Chengder is right